It's there every night, unmoving, unblinking. But what if the moon isn't exactly what we've been told? What if it's hollow, a vast structure that may have shaped the destiny of life on Earth? The moon's orbit is almost too perfect, a near circle around our planet. Its distance is so precise it can completely cover the sun during an eclipse. Some researchers believe its unusually low density may hint that the moon is hollow, possibly containing internal chambers. In 1969, Apollo 12 astronauts intentionally crashed part of their spacecraft onto the lunar surface. Seismic sensors recorded vibrations that lasted nearly an hour. The moon rang like a bell. A natural rock should not behave this way. Some researchers speculate this may indicate hollow spaces beneath the surface. The side of the moon facing Earth is smoother, not covered with heavy debris like the far side. It may have been protected by Earth itself, shielded from incoming asteroids. The far side is heavily cratered, suggesting the moon's near side bears signs of deliberate protection or a natural shielding effect. Ancient myths describe a world without a moon. Then it appeared suddenly, and according to legend, floods swept across the planet. Some researchers note that similar cataclysmic floods are recorded across the globe around the same period. For example, in Mesopotamia, texts describe the Great Deluge that swallowed entire cities. In Egypt, the Nile reached unprecedented levels. The Indus Valley shows evidence of sudden, large-scale flooding. Legends from China speak of a great flood reshaping rivers and displacing communities. And Atlantis, the lost civilization said to have vanished beneath the waves, may also be connected to these cataclysmic events. Once the moon settled into orbit, Earth began to stabilize. Tides and rotation balanced, and Earth gained a cosmic shield, potentially intercepting destructive asteroids. Some researchers believe this celestial alignment allowed life to thrive, transforming a chaotic world into a cradle for civilization. Who or what placed the moon in orbit? Some speculate an ancient intelligence, extraterrestrial or otherwise. Others suggest it might be a remnant of a lost civilization. Every eclipse, every tide, every unusual lunar feature could hint at deliberate design, or perhaps a still unexplained cosmic coincidence. One side of the moon always looks down at Earth. The other side remains hidden, never turning. A silent sentinel, eternal. Some researchers propose it could monitor life on Earth, or wait for a moment we cannot yet comprehend. If the moon caused floods, if it stabilized climate and tides, if it shields Earth from asteroid impacts, then its arrival may have been one of the most significant events in planetary history. Legends remember floods, chaos, and rebirth. And still, the moon remains, watching, silent, hollow, an enigma in the sky. Some researchers continue to explore its mysteries. Others simply look up and marvel at its presence. So the next time you look at the moon, remember, it may not just be a rock. It may be a sentinel, a hollow structure, a cosmic guardian, watching us, always watching. Moon Made in Blender. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know how I made the moon, leave a comment. Bye, and see you soon.